Hello everyone, welcome to my channel DIY Law. Please go ahead and subscribe. If this topic is of interest to you, please check out my other videos on this channel as well. Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer, I am not a lawyer. The contents of this video is not legal advice. It's intended for information and educational purposes only. The name of today's video is Win Without a Trial. Okay, let's get started. Yes. You can win without a risky trial. Lawyers drag out cases so they can bill more time. You don't have to wait for trial to win. You are not billing for your time. So, why not learn how to win before trial? After all, there is no evidence you cannot get before trial. There are no witnesses you cannot question under oath before trial. There are no documents or things you cannot get before trial. There are no legal arguments you cannot make before trial. And, there is nothing going to happen at trial that cannot be made to happen before trial. Here are some common reasons why cases end up going to trial. A lazy lawyer didn't do the pre-trial work he could have done. A stupid lawyer didn't know how to do the pre-trial work he could have done. A greedy lawyer didn't want to do the pre-trial work he could have done. And, a lawyer had no idea how to do the pre-trial work that could have been done. Pre-trial work you will learn in this case-winning tactics course called jurisdictionary. So, don't wait for trial. Trial is uncertain, with unpredictable juries and crooked lawyers. Trial is thinking on your feet with your opponent trying to throw you off with multiple objections. Trial is a nasty battle against lawyers willing to cheat if they can. Trial is your last bite at the apple, with no takebacks and no retreats. So, win before trial, and do it without a lawyer. It's easier than you may imagine. The jurisdictionary course will show you how. Link to the course is in the description below. Look, it's just a fact, too many good people lose just because they can't afford a lawyer. The jurisdictionary course will teach you how to challenge judges, how to write proper pleadings, how to get evidence into the record, how to properly move the court, how to make courtroom objections, and much more, so go ahead and represent yourself. There is help now. Since 1997, jurisdictionary has helped thousands win without a lawyer. It's easy to learn, you will learn quickly, in as little as 24 hours. You'll know how to win. Link to the course is in the description below. Take the free test and discover your legal skill level. It's fun and the results may surprise you, and while you are there, take a look at the testimonials and success stories from people just like you. In conclusion, why not learn how to represent yourself? Even if you do hire a lawyer, the jurisdictionary course training will help you understand what your lawyer is doing or not doing to help or hinder your case. Folks, justice should be for all, not just the rich who can afford lawyers. Jurisdictionary is justice for all. Again, link is in the description below, and yes, this is a plug for the course, and yes, I get a small commission if you sign up. So check it out, or don't, win or lose, it's up to you. Link to the course is in the description below. Thanks for watching, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell and leave a comment below if you wish. Thanks again and best of luck in all your pro se legal matters.